On which interval or intervals of the graph of f of theta equals sine theta is the rate of change increasing? Now, first things first, what does rate of change increasing mean? Concave up. So let's graph what, this is just regular old sine theta. So let's graph what regular old sine theta looks like. We know sine theta starts at 0, 0, comes up to 1, bottoms out at -1. So starts at 0, 0, peaks out at half a pi, comes back down to the x-axis at regular pi, bottoms out at 3 pi over 2, and then comes back up to repeat the process at 2 pi. So it looks like this. Starts here, hits the top, comes back down, hits the bottom, comes back up, repeat. Now, the most basic answer would be saying, concave up is going to be at pi to 2 pi. But here's the thing. I don't know if this answer is going to be good enough. Okay, why? Well, if it was good enough, we would just be like, this doesn't repeat, therefore, like, it's only going to be that. But this is a repeating thing. So this is what I have to do. Whenever it repeats, attach a k to it. Now, if I were to let k be any integer, then this makes sense because this would repeat if k was 1 at 2 pi, and if k was 2, then 4 pi, and if k was 3, then 6 pi, so on and so forth. How do I set this pi up to make sure that this pi is pi and 3 pi and 5 pi? Well, make this 2k minus 1. So when k is 1, I get 2 pi, and this is 2 minus 1, regular pi. And when k is 2, I get 4 pi. And so this would be 4 minus 1, 3 pi. So that would work out nicely throughout. So since this is a repeating function, since it's sinusoidal, we have an infinite amount of answers, and that's how we're going to write it out.